In this video, I will show you how to install and set up the Myfriend app. So let's get started. So if you have seen the documentation, the first video, if you have followed the first video, it's about how to download Android Studio. So after completing that video, once you start Android Studio, you will see this screen, this thing. So you have to click on open an existing project. You have to click on that, and you have to select where you have select the project. So just go to where you have saved it. So in my case, I have saved it at my desktop. So I'm going to go to desktop and just click on Myfriend. This is the source code, and then I'm going to click open. Okay, so it will take time to load. Okay, so import is done successfully. Now we will start setting it up. So first thing is we want to change the sorry yeah so the first thing is we want to change the app name. So for that, you must go to the app and then resource values, and then click on this strings, and over here you can see app name. So change it to whatever you want, like Facebook. Okay, so the app name has been changed. Now it comes to logo. So if you want to change the logo, then the logo must be in SVG format. Okay, like I recommend SVG format. It's not necessary that it should be in SVG format. You can use PNG or whatever, but like you can I recommend to use SVG format. So then click on resources, and then double click on it or right click on it, and then you will see this all these options. So just go to new image assets, and then you just have to set a background. Means this, over here it's green color, so you have to change it to whatever you want. Let's say I wanted blue or purple. Let's keep it blue. Okay, and if I want now, if you want to change the this icon, just go to this, and you can either change it to text some or clip art. You can select over here, or if you want a custom image, then just click on the image and choose the path. So for example, I'm gonna use this one. Okay, so it is blue, and that the background is also blue, so I'm going to change the background to white so you can see it clearly. You can zoom in, zoom out, adjust your size, click on next, and just click on finish. So the logo has also been changed. So now logo has been changed, name has been changed, so we will change the colors. So for that, click on resource values, you go to styles, and then over here you can change it for the day mode. These are the colors: layout color, background color, text color, whatever you want. And these are for the dark modes, layout colors, same layout, background, menu, text color, whatever. So you can do it over here. Now if you want to set, like let's say the default is day mode, if you want to set default as night mode, then you must go to Java and open this folder, scroll down, click on this night mode, and set it to true. So if you set it to true, if you set it to true, is that the default theme will be in the night mode. And if you want the default theme to be day mode, just keep it to false, and the user according to his preference can change the theme by going to settings. So now color, logo, name has been done. So now the front end part has been done. So we will jump to the backend part. So now for the backend part, the first step, and it is the important one, is changing the package name. I've seen most of the users don't change it, and they get a problem. So you have to change it. So for changing it, just go click on this setting icon and this click on this compact middle packages. Okay, so now you don't have to change the com, you just have to change these two. So over here you should write the company name. So my company name is Spacer, so I will keep it as it is. And I will change the app name. So I've changed the app name to Facebook, so I will keep it as Facebook. So I will double click on it, go to refactor, rename, click on rename package, and then click on type your app name or whatever you want. Okay, so type your app name, click on refactor. It will take some time. Yeah, so click on do refactor and it will take few seconds to completely change the package name all over the app. So as you can see, the package name has been changed. There is one more place we have to change the package name, so just let it complete. Okay, so package name has been changed, so I will change it back to the compact middle packages. Okay, so now there's a place where we have to change the package name because that doesn't change automatically. Go to the Gradle script and then go to the build.gradle, click on it, scroll down. So you can see over here application ID. So as you can see, it is not changed, so you have to change it. Facebook. And then sync now, click on sync now. Okay, so sync has been done. So now we have to check that is there anywhere else the package name has not changed. So to check that, we have to search it all over the source code. So to do that, if you are using a Windows, hold Control Shift R. Okay, for Windows it's Control Shift R, and for Mac it's Command Shift R. Okay, so this thing will pop up. Okay, so you have to paste the old package name over here. Okay, so you have to paste the old source code or old package name over here and the new package name over here. So every time remember that old things goes over here and new things goes over here. So if you want to replace an old word with a new word, and you have to search in whole project, so just place the old word over here and the new word over here, and then click on replace, or either you can click on replace all, so it will replace each and every word. So now everywhere the package name has been changed. You can open that window if you are not able to do it with Control Shift R or Command Shift R by going to edit, find in replace in path, and you can get that window over here. So now after changing the package name, we have to connect this app to the Firebase, which is the backend. So open your browser, search Firebase, and you have to click on this first link and click on go to console. Remember, you must before opening the Firebase website, you must be logged in with your account. Okay, Google account. So you have to click on create a project and you have to name your project. So I'm going to name it as Facebook, and you have to click on continue, accept, create project. It will take few seconds. Okay, so my project has been created. I will click on continue, and then I have to click on Android. Then I have to paste my package name which we have just now changed. This is my package name. I'm going to copy it, paste it over here, add app nickname. It's optional, you can do it if you want. You have to paste your SHA1 key over here. It is written optional, but it is required for the mobile authentication. So you have to click on the left panel, as you can see, sorry, on the right panel, around the right side you can see a it is written Gradle. So you have to click on this, click on Myfriend, click on app, sorry, click on Myfriend again, tasks, build, sorry, Android, signing report. So you have to click on it. You will get your SHA1 and SHA256 key. The both keys are important. So for now I'm gonna copy the SHA1 key. I'm not gonna close this because we need this key too. So I'm gonna copy the SHA1 key, paste it over here, register the app. Yeah, and then I have to download this Google services.json file. Okay, and then click on next, next, and continue to console. So you have to copy this file. You have to copy this. Okay, you have to copy this. Go to Android Studio. Over here you can see it is written Android and there is a down arrow. Click on it, select project, open this, and you have to paste it over here under the app section, the app folder. So you have to paste it over here. So it keep the name as it is. Please don't change the name, and it will ask you to it will show you that this dialog that it already exists in the directory. You have to click on overwrite, and the package and the JSON file has been successfully imported. So you have to go back to your Android and copy this SHA256 key, go to your project settings, scroll down, add fingerprint, paste it over here, done. So now we have successfully connected the Firebase and our app. So now we are going to uh, do few things over here. So first thing is authentication. So in the app there are two types of authentication, email and phone authentication. So you have to click on get started, and in the signing method you have to enable both email and phone. Okay, so please enable this. If you don't enable this, then it won't work. And then click on real-time database, click on create database, click on next, start on logged mode. You have to click on that, select that option. Okay, so database has been created, but we have to change the rules. So go to rules, change both read and write to true. Click on publish, go to storage, click on get started, click next, done. You have to change the rules over here also. So click on rules, remove this line. It should be like this, and click on publish. So now let me explain what we have done, and you can use Firebase as admin panel. Okay, there is an admin panel in the app also, but you can use it as more like you have more resources over here. Like for example, when you go to storage, you will see currently there is no files, but once you have published the app, so you will find all the images, photos, documents, audio over here. So you can manage them from here, and all the uh, data will be stored over here in the real-time database. Okay, so you can manage that from here, and you will get all the users over here, like all the registered user with their email, phone number, everything will be shown over here. And if you want to send a push notification, you can also send it from the app admin panel, or you can send it from here too. You just go to uh, the engage section, click on cloud messaging, and then click on send your first message. So what will this do is this will send a push notification to each and every app, to each and every user has your app installed on their phone. So this will be titled, this is a test, your text, notification text, whatever you want, image optional. Click on next, select the app which you want to send to. So this is the app which we want to send to. You can schedule it like daily now, or like tomorrow, or day after tomorrow you want to send it, or you want to send it like daily recurring notification. This is one time notification, so you can schedule according to that. Then click on, you don't have to change it, click on next. These are optional, you don't have to change this too. Click on review and publish. So the notification has have been sent to each and every app. Okay, so now the Firebase thing, Firebase, everything which was to be done in the Firebase has completed. Now one thing is remaining, which I'll show you. Click on the open a new tab and type Firebase phone authentication. Okay, so now you have to click on the first link, authenticate with Firebase on Android using the phone number. You have to click on it, scroll down, and you have to click on the this Android device checkup. Sorry, Android device check API. You have to click on it. You must do this step, or else you won't get the notifications in your you won't get the OTP when someone tries to register while using mobile number. Click on, and you have to agree their terms. Now you have to select the project. So over here, a project ID is Facebook 57461. So go to over here, select project, click on all, and you have to verify that it is the correct project name. So ID is Facebook 57461. Please confirm that you are enabling this for the same project which on which you have installed your app. Click on open, enable. Okay, so this has been done. Okay, one more thing which we have to do is that for the push notification, so go to your cloud messaging under project setting, go to your cloud messaging, copy this server key. You have to copy this key, go to your Android Studio, scroll down and search for the chat folder. So here's the chat folder, click on it, open chat activity, scroll down, and at the bottom on the line number 1210 you will find this. So what you have to do is you have to copy this, okay, this file, this line, okay, before this equal to sign, and before this so you have to copy this, and then you have to search the same key in like in each and every file, means inside in the whole project. So you have to go to your edit, find, click on replace in path. Okay, so it will automatically paste the key which you have to find, and over here you have to paste the new key which you have to replace it with. Okay, so as you can see, there are many places in which the old key has been used, so we have to replace it with a new key. So to send a push notification, so I will paste the new key over here, and then I'm going to click on replace all and click on replace. So as you can see, the key has been replaced successfully. So now APIs from the Google Cloud Platform, it will be Google Maps and the YouTube API. So just open a new tab, click type Google Cloud platform and click on this first link and click on console. Okay, then just click on this navigation menu and just click on the API service page and click on libraries. Okay, so now what we have to do is, you can see maps SDK and all these things. So we have to enable all these three APIs. So just I'm gonna enable this one, and I guess this is not necessary. The data one is necessary. So now we'll go back. Sorry, yeah. So and then go to Maps SDK for no, so, Maps SDK for Android and enable this. Okay, and then just go back and click on the Maps Place API and JavaScript API. Oh, sorry, not JavaScript API, only the Maps API. Okay, so now what we have to do is we have to copy the API key of the YouTube. So we will go to the menu navigation, go to the API and service, go to the dash credentials, and over here we have to copy the so we have to create a new credentials, API credential. Okay, and we have to copy this, and just remember, don't restrict the usage. Okay, don't restrict key. Okay, just copy it, go to the source code, means the Android Studio, and just click on the watch party and YouTube watch party activity. Go over here, and over here you will see this your API key, paste it over here. That's it. So yeah, we have to search, is there anywhere else this key, like the old key is there, so we have to change it with a new one. So I'm gonna undo it. First of all, I'm gonna like I've told you before, to search all over the source code, you have to click on Command Shift R. Okay, for the Mac OS, and for the Windows you have to click on Control Shift R. Okay, so over here we can see there are two keys similar to it. Okay, there are two places where the keys are similar. So I'm gonna paste it. So I'm gonna, yeah, this is the old one. Okay, so in over here you actually search for the key. Over here you search, like, let's say a word like static, final, or whatever which you want to search, like in whole code, in the whole source code. And over here you have to type a word which you want to replace with that word. So for example, if you search final all over the source code, and you want to replace it with some, like, let's say private, then you type final over here and private over here. Okay, so like this. So I have pasted the old API over here, and so new API over here and old one over here. So I can find there are two places where the old API has been used, so I have to replace this with a new one. So I'm going to click on replace. So as you can see, it has been replaced with a new one, and also it was somewhere over here. Yeah, it was somewhere over here which also got replaced. So so now there's no use to see it. Okay, so now uh, this part is done. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna click on a new tab and go to deepar.ia. Okay, okay, so now I'm gonna click on SDK, this part SDK, and go to developer portal. Okay, then I'm gonna click get started. So you have to create account if you don't have an account, or if you have an account, just log in. So I will just log in. So I have logged in. So you have to scroll down and just you will see this plus button. Click on it, select your type. Okay, so I'm gonna, for now I'm gonna select it for free. So over here you can see like it will show you this plan features, but actually it it doesn't work. Like for example, it will show you you can use up to 10, you know, up to 10 snaps. Okay, but it doesn't work. It is some sort of bug in their API. So this is the advantage, like you can use unlimited snaps, face filters, everything. But there's one thing is that you will get a deep AR watermark to our, like, so to remove that you can go for a premium plan. So I'm gonna just now for go to free plan, and now I'm gonna name my project as Facebook, and I'm gonna click on create project, click on add Android app. My app name is Facebook, and then I'm gonna paste my app ID. Now what is app ID? App ID is nothing but the package name. So I'm gonna copy my package name, paste it over here, and then I'm gonna click on create app. So there is my app key. So I'm gonna go to my app. Over here I will find something with something as face filters. Okay, so over here you can see a folder with face filter named as face filter. Okay, then I will open the face filter.java file, scroll down, and yeah, here you can see, here you have to paste your key. Okay, so the deep air part has been done. So now we will head over to the map box, I guess. Yeah, map box. Go to map box. Over here you have to create your account, sign up, and just I'm gonna log in because I have already a Mapbox account. Okay, so after logging in you will see something like this. Okay, I have already created a token, so I will show you how to create a new token. So click on create a new token. Okay, so you have to type a token name. So I'm gonna type my token name as Facebook as my project, as my app name, and you should select each and every of these. Okay, and you have to ignore this, and yeah, so click on create token, and the token has been created. This is the token. I'm gonna copy it, and then I'm gonna head over to the app, and now just go to the uh, post folder, create post, scroll down, and over here you will see this key. So you have to copy this. You have already copied, and you have to replace this key with the old one, new key with the old one. But now again I'm going to search in the whole project. So again, for Windows, Control Shift R, and for the Mac OS, Command Shift R. Okay, so there are like many places where the key has been used. So I'm going to paste the new key. This was the old one, and this is the new one. This is the new one, this is the old one. So old one always at the top because we have to find it, and this place is for replacing, means the new one, like the word which we have to replace. So I'm gonna click on replace. So it's done. As you can see, it has been replaced with the new key. Okay. So now the map box integrating map box has been done. So now we will again now it comes to the sticker, the GIF API. So I've used this I don't know its name. Yeah. So I've used StipUp for the sticker and the GIF. So I'm going to open it. So you have to click on for developers, and now you have it is all free. So like it doesn't have any watermarks or nothing. And go for the premium. Click on get started for free if you're a new user, and if you already have an account, just click on sign in. So I already have an account with them. You have this screen will pop up. So you have to create an application over here. So the application name is Facebook website. If you have, you can paste the link. If you don't, then not necessary. Category: social network, friends network. Select your region and select the amount of user you have, and then click on get started. Then what you have to do over here is just download this stypop.json file, and then copy it, go to your Android Studio, close this, open the app folder, Java, not Java folder, app folder, and over here you will see assets. So open the assets folder and just paste it over here. Keep the name as it is, and then click on refactor and just click on overwrite. Okay, so now your API key you can see and other thing. So if you want to use light mode, set it to false. So if you want to use dark mode, for example, the layout, sticker layout will show in dark mode, then keep it as it is. If you want to use light mode, set it to true. So the type of means the stickers and GIF part has been done. So now click on a new tab and go to agora.io. Okay, open this website, and if you have an account, so log in, and if you don't have an account, then sign up. Okay, so I have an account, so I'm gonna log in. And after login in, you will see a dashboard. You will see your dashboard. Okay, so now what you have to do is click on project management, and you have to create in your new project name will be anything. I'm gonna keep it as Facebook, and yeah, remember, keep it as test mode. Okay, keep it as test mode for now. We will change it to live later on. So click on submit, and then I'm gonna copy the app ID, go to the uh, uh, go to the resources, values, strings, and I'm gonna paste it over here, and that's it. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna check it if there is somewhere else this old key has been used. Like, so for checking that, we have to check it in the whole source code. So for to do that, if you are using a Windows, click on Control, hold Control, Shift and R, and if you are using Mac OS, then click Command Shift R. Okay, so uh, so yeah, we are not in project. Yeah, select this in project, and there are three places we are in which we are using the old API key, so we have to replace it with the new one. So I'm going to paste the new API key over. I'm going to paste the new API key over here, and I'm gonna click on replace and replace. Okay, so now you can see the it has been replaced with a new API key. So now the thing is we have to change it to live. So click on action and click on your case, whatever the case is. It is social. Is in my case it's social network, and you can select any one of these. It doesn't matter. Then you have to scroll down. Yeah. You have to set this stage to live. Scroll down and just click on save. So now to do this you need verification. So they will send you an OTP to your email account through which you have registered, or the OTP, the verification code. So I'm going to confirm it, and as you can see, the it has been now live. The key has been now is in live mode. So the this part has been done. Now moving on the final part, not final but second last part, which is the video and image editor. So I've used uh, this uh, SDK for the image and video editing. img.ly. It is a short form. The full form is like imagely. So you don't have to really do anything in this. Okay, it is on free trial. Okay, will every feature will work, but they will have a watermark on their video editor. Like for example, in uh, like it will be written like imagely.ly SDK, something like that, on the image editor as their watermark. So if you want to remove that, you can go with the pricing. Okay, and so if you ever go for the premium member, then just contact us. We will help you to integrate the premium inside the app. So we will help you with that. So there is nothing you have to do in this for now. Okay, so if you go for premium, then contact us. We will help you. Okay, so now everything is done except the Admob. So go to your Admob account. Okay, must have to sign up. If you have, just click sign in. Okay, and then head over to your app. Okay, and then you have to select Android and click on no for now. You change it later if, after uploading to your Play Store account. You change it to yes. For now, just click on no, continue, type your app name. My app name is Facebook, add app, click on done. Okay, now click on app settings, copy this app ID, go to your Android Studio, go to your Myfriend, scroll down and paste it over here. Okay, and then click on app overview, sorry, add units, click on add units and click on get started. First add banner type ads, click on done, and then add native advance. Okay, click on create add unit, click on done. Now copy this banner ID, scroll down, go to values, under resource, values, strings, scroll down, paste, copy the banner ID and paste it in the over here, copy the native ID and paste it over here, sorry, here. Okay, so now this is done. Okay, and many of you have complained me like, why don't the ads show? And it's a the main reason is that ads actually show it within like an hour, 2 hours, 3 hours. It will take some time to show up. Okay, so now it is done. So to change, there are two things we still have to change, is that the privacy policy, how to change it. So scroll down, click on menu, and click on privacy activity, and you must convert your privacy policy into HTML format and just paste it between these two semicolons. Okay, you can, if you don't know HTML, then you can use like this website like HTML text to HTML converter, and then you can use this. If you don't know HTML, if you don't know like how like if you don't know have any knowledge about HTML, you can type the things and you can convert it into HTML format, paste it over here. That's it. Now another thing is the invitation text. So go to your menu again and click on menu activity, scroll down, and over here you will see like this will be the whole text. Okay, so this will be your Google Play link. Okay, and you can edit this to whatever you want. Okay, and now the main thing is how to access the admin panel. Okay, so now over here you have to do two things. Go to your real-time database. I've registered an account. Okay, this is my account. Okay, under authentication I can find that account. You can find each and every user's account over here. So I have registered a user with email as this. So I'm gonna make this user as admin. So I'm gonna copy the user ID, go to the real-time database, and then I'm gonna click on this plus icon. I'm gonna type admin, A capital admin. Okay, then I'm gonna click this plus icon again. I'm gonna paste the user ID which I have copied and set this to. You can make as many admins as you want. You just have to go to your users section, copy the user ID, like which user you want to make admin. You can search it over here, whatever you want, and just copy it, paste it over here. And there's one more thing which you have to do, or else your app will crash, which is create a a child. Okay, it is for the ads. So click on the plus icon again, type ads, click on the plus icon again and type and set it to on. If you want ads to be on, you can change that later on in the admin panel. If you want it default as off, you can keep it off. You can change that in later on in the admin panel. So I'm going to keep it as on. I'm going to click on add. Okay, so these two things must, this add child must be there or your app will crash. Okay, so now everything has been set up. I'm gonna run the app. Okay, I'm gonna run it. It will take some time to load, so I'm gonna just wait. It will take around 2 to 5 minutes depending upon your computer speed. Okay, so it is successfully has been installed and the app is running perfectly. Still, if you have any doubt or any, if you are facing any problem, any crash, just contact us. You can see the email, see the details of the contact, how to contact us at the bottom of the documentation, and we will help you. Okay, and if you have any doubt, you can contact us. If you want us to install it, we can do it. The price for installation is $10, and it includes installation plus Play Store upload for $10. Okay, so if you want us to install, you can also contact us. We will help you. We will install, and if you have any doubt, just let us know. We will help you. Okay,